you know what you're going to get with the stock market and everything going down, fluctuations in the stock market because of tariffs, whatever else news that are coming on. It's not going to be affected as much with real estate. And so the process would be, you would set up a self-directed IRA account with us. You would transfer your funds to us, and then you would use those funds to invest in real estate. If you invested in a single family home, you would find a renter and they would start renting that property for you. So to give you an example, I had a customer that invested in a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. They bought it for $180,000. After all expenses, management fees, taxes, insurance, they netted $1,100 a month. If you multiply $1,100 by 12 months, you're going to get around $13,000. I think $1,100 is pretty low now. You could probably get roughly $2,000 for some of these houses. So you could get between $10,000 to $20,000 of rental income. And again, that rental income is all tax deferred. And you didn't do anything to generate that income other than buy the property. The other advantage is if you bought a rental property and it goes up in value, all of the capital gains is also tax deferred. So if you decide to sell that $180,000 property in 3 years for $300,000, that $120,000 gain is tax deferred.
Yeah. So, I mean, you get all the benefits of the retirement account, which you're talking about there, the tax deferred and all that. But at the end of the day, you know, it's hands off. You don't have to do that much. I will say, though, one thing that maybe we haven't mentioned here is there are, of course, rules that you'll need to follow while you're investing in these types of assets. Specifically, say with real estate, there's certain things you can and cannot do because it's in an IRA that if it wasn't in your IRA, you would be able to do. We're not going to go over those rules today, but if there's any questions about what you can or can't do, we have all those answers. So either one, ask us those questions, or two, contact us here. Let me throw this up here. Ben's contact information. Anytime you're curious about, a specific asset, what you can or can't do, shoot us a call, an email, whatever it is. Even check our website. We talk about a lot of the rules and things you can and can't do. So I just wanted to throw that out there. But let's move on to the next strategy that really is also a pretty interesting one.